Hi guys, and welcome to this quick Java tutorial. And in this tutorial I'll be talking to you about the methods overloading. In the previous video we have seen the methods, and in this video we want to talk about overloading the methods. So what is method overloading? A method overloading is actually having a method with the same name as another method but with different signature. And by this I mean different number of parameters or different data type for parameters. So for instance, let's consider the function or the method add that we have right here. We implemented this method in our last tutorial, which is actually a method that is meant to add two integer numbers x and y and then returns the sum of these numbers, right? I created another method that is called add, which takes two string variables x and y and returns a string data type, right? And then it returns x plus y, which is actually the concatenation of x and y. So we have the same, or we have two methods with the same name but with different signatures. So whenever we add or we call the function with two integers, then this version of the function is going to be called. And whenever we call the function using two strings, this version of the function is going to be called. So let's print this. Let's run this code and see the print statements. So the first one is 5 as in the previous tutorials, and the second one is BasselTech, which is the concatenation of Bassel and Tech. So that's it for the method overloading. See you in the next tutorial.